So, maybe next time, alright?
Hey, Super Brace! Oi! Oi,
Well, I think we're done here, sexy bitches. Thanks. A lot, Mona. The one chance I get to talk to Colby and you completely ruin it. Yeah, because the whole peeing in your pants thing was really working out well for you. Thank you. My car's still dirty, so I'll be out of here if you need me.
It's been a long time. I've moved since then. It hasn't haunted me since. There could be another attack. Who knows? All I know is I moved on to a better thing. Different house. Hopefully, nothing will happen. But that hasn't stopped it. I don't like where this is going. Shit.